Also, with the Cannoli roller, you can see right in through here the Cannoli roller on model number 1, how it's on base, so the hair is not touching the face because it's the Cannoli rollers were on base, so it gives that volume, that lift that we want away from the face, up high away from the forehead and away from the cheeks, not to brush away the makeup. That's what most people desire. And when you go to the standard hair roller, which is only 1% on base, the hair is falling forward. It's the hair is touching the cheeks, and up on the forehead, the hair is slumping over and forward, which not everyone wants that type of look and a hair on the face. So again, the Cannoli roller number 1 has its beautiful lift volume and hair away from the face, forehead, face, cheeks, and that's what most people really desire in a roller set, is the Cannoli roller number 1. Thank you.